Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome in you guys. I'm loving life Frida here on YouTube. I am a full-time reseller on multiple platforms as well as running YouTube here. I'm going to get you guys the video this week for 10 items that we are selling through YouTube video here. I've picked another 10 items. Some of these are really great pieces, you guys. Great quality materials and just, I think, great pieces for y'all. Per usual, I will put up, like I did last week, I think it worked out pretty well, what it is, what it's selling for, and all that good stuff. First of all, before we dive into this, I'd like to thank you guys so much, everybody, for the wonderful comments in the videos, you guys. I love it when you leave comments, whether it's relating to something, feedback on something, just saying hi, or whatever the case may be. Thank you so much for those of you who leave comments. If you haven't yet and you would like to, please feel free to comment below, say hi, introduce yourself, yeah, just let me know what you think of the videos and even future videos you would like to see. Okay, we're going to dive into these, you guys, so stay tuned. We're going to show the 10 pieces for this week. Okay, guys, let's do this. Let's just dive right in because I don't want these videos to be too long. This is a Sundry. This is a Aritzia. This is a really nice brand, very expensive brand. If you've never heard of Aritzia before, like t-shirts can retail for like $50 or $75, and their dresses and other things are like over $100, some over $200. Very, very expensive brand. This one is a Sundry size 3. Sundry size 3, so it's like a large, really, really cute heart t-shirt. It's a pink heart t-shirt. This one I will sell for $15. Sundry pink t-shirt for $15. It's a really good price for a Aritzia t-shirt. All right, this is Bryant. This is a size 22-24, 100% cotton. It is fully ruched with buttons here, and it has a beautiful embroidery detail at the bottom, all the way around the hemline. Very, very pretty. This one we will put up for $10. For Lane Bryant, size 22-24, 100% cotton, $10. All right. Next we have Old Navy Active. This is Dynamic Fleece, size medium. Old Navy has been doing very well for me, so I thought I'd give you guys a chance at this one. It is a drawstring. It's kind of a tie-dyed print on it, full zip, and it's hooded. Really nice piece, size medium. This one will do for $10 also. And it is Dynamic Fleece, medium, breathable. The next item is a really beautiful piece. This one is 100% rayon. This is Urban Ronantics, 100% rayon. It's a really nice ruched red top with a kind of a polka dot look to it. It's not exactly polka dot, but it's close enough. And the entire top perimeter, front and back, is all ruched, giving this really nice flowy bottom line, as well as nice comfortable sleeves. This one will also go for $10. All right, next we have a really nice brand again. This one is called Solomon. It's a really nice brand, size medium. Has it's a kind of a turquoise, has great stitching here. Also has Solomon on the sleeve, as well as their logo on the back. This also has really nice stitching on the sleeve line. Just a really nice quarter zip athletic piece. And again, it is a size medium. This will also go for $10. All right, here's a super cute dress, you guys. This one is a Sail by Sable. This is a size medium, super cute cotton dress. The white part of the stripe on this is a little bit textured. It's a really cute little shirt dress. Very, very sweet, size medium. The fun part about this one is it has a really cute gold accented zipper in the back. Super fun. Again, $10 on that one. This one here is Vero Moda, brand new with tags, size medium. Vero Moda, brand new with tags, size medium. Let me double check fabric content on this one. Fabric content on this one is acrylic and polyester. And it's a very soft burgundy with a little bit of a grayish black blend in it. Again, brand new with tags. We'll run this one also for $10 on that piece. All right. Okay, next one we have is Parker. This is very, very expensive brand. When I looked at the resale on this, I couldn't believe it. Retails for $198. This is a really cute high-low hemline shirt. It's got kind of a cool handkerchief look to it. It's definitely geometric. It has pockets on the front here. These are flaps for pockets. Really, really nice piece. Very lightweight. So this can be worn by itself. Has regular sleeves with a little bit of a cuff. Or you could also put a tank top underneath this and have a little bit of a tank top. It is a little bit see-through, so just note that. And this one is a size extra small. This one will run for $12. Brand new with tags, $12. Great piece on that one. The next one is Woolrich. This one is 100% wool. This is a beautiful, beautiful zip-up jacket. Has a pocket on it. Woolrich, 100% wool on this piece. Very, very nice. This one will run for $12. $12 on this wool jacket. Very, very nice price. And then last but not least, we're going to do this piece here. Another really great sweater, you guys. This is an extra small. I tried to do some varying sizes for y'all. Extra small BP. This is Nordstrom. Super soft. It's a kind of a rustic orange colorway. Very, very soft sweater with a really pretty V neckline. And this one is also brand new with tags. We'll run this one for $10. All right, guys, that is the 10 items. Again, I will post all that information here and down below in the chat. Again, for instructions as well, you just need to let me know in the chat the item that you want. Then I'm going to need you to send me an email to my email, freelylovinglife7@protonmail.com. The item that you wanted, the name of the item that you wanted, the cost. Oh, I was going to do numbers on these, and I didn't do numbers on these. That's okay. Just tell me the item, the brand. It's pretty basic. The brand, the item, and your email address and your mailing address when you email me. Not in the chat, but your email address and your mailing address when you email me, so I can send you a receipt, and that way I'll also ship to you via pirate ship. Once I receive payment, it will ship out the next day. Guys, thank you so much for joining me in this. We'll do this again next week. I hope these are a blessing to you. If you guys have specific ones that you would like to see in the future, specific brands or anything like that, if I have something like that, I'd be more than happy to do that. Guys, until next time, be productive, and we'll see you later.